been a while. We haven't done a video in a while.
I know. You know what this is, though? I just see we're going to be putting this somewhere on the wall.
Another one, yes. Look at what we got, John.
Oh, yeah.
Starr Fireworks Dealer Show Demo, May 3rd, Fargo. Begins at dusk, live stream event. Fireworksbrigade.com. So what we're doing this year, it's every year we do a demo, right? Yeah. It's kind of like the thing.
Yeah, for about 20-some years.
Yeah, it's on life support right now. The fireworks industry, as everyone knows, the fireworks industry is having some tough times, some technical difficulties. Good or bad, it is what it is, politics aside. So there's going to be some rocky roads up ahead. But one thing is for sure, we're going to have a demo show. So
have a demo. I think it's going to be a good turnout. Hopefully the weather's great, as usual, as it should be. And I think I'm pretty confident by the time the dealer show, all this stuff will be kind of past history.
I hope so.
That's what I'm hoping for.
So in this year, May 2nd, which is the Friday before, we're going to do a special live stream. We've been threatening everyone to, and it's still a little, we're in the planning stages here. We just got off a call, but we're going to do a live stream on Friday the 2nd, starting about 5 o'clock. It'll be up available on YouTube afterwards, but go to our YouTube channel. And what we're going to do is we're going to show people around the Starr Fireworks, the showroom, the warehouse. Yeah. We'll have a little preview of some things we're going to shoot off. Maybe meet some of the people at Starr Fireworks, walk around the warehouse, whatever. We'll figure it out.
We might even have like a teaser finale. I think.
We'll do
like
that.
A little teaser, like almost like the news does. Like, stay tuned.
Stay tuned, right?
5 inches of snow coming tomorrow, and then they just say, "Stay tuned." That's it.
So make sure you come to Starr Fireworks. If you can't come on May 3rd, you're welcome. See Steve or Dino. Mm-hmm. If you can't come, live stream May 3rd at dusk, live stream May 2nd, the pre-show, behind the scenes, all that stuff. Make sure you stay tuned to this YouTube channel to get all the info, all the stuff. We're also going to do a tariff video. We got one coming up real soon with Steve Hauser and Stacy Blake Schneider Fireworks. From Schneider. She's the president of NFA. So we're going to have some tariff news for you. But this is the fun stuff. This is the demo. This is the blowing up stuff. So
and we're also going to have a regular shoot sheet.
Yes.
On a link to our website and Fireworks Brigade. So you'll be able to follow along on your live stream, rate them as you see them. Of course, not the same over the video, but it's going to be awesome. It is live stream, so it's going to still have the excitement of being there. Better than watching a video. Get your shoot sheet at starfireworks.com or fireworksbrigade.com. It'll be up there probably within another week or so. Yeah, it'll be up there definitely probably a week, at least a week before. So, but again, stay tuned, everybody. If you want to see the behind the scenes of Starr Fireworks, what it takes to put on a demo show, we'll be showing it to you on on May 2nd. Yeah, that'd be cold. Even some of the wiring, we always kind of do a little video footage of that too, how we're getting everything wired and stuff. So it's always kind of fun. Dealer shows are great, and the finale is going to be probably spectacular again. Where I say probably because you never know. But with the difficulties we've been having, who knows? Yeah, who knows? Technical difficulties. Everybody stay strong. It'll be good. Thanks for watching. Will be more content coming real soon, but we hope to reach out and hope everyone watches the dealer show the weekend of May 2nd and May 3rd live stream on our YouTube channel. Check it out. Thank you.